So this is it again. We are continuing our session by drawing the hot air balloons and trying to present the idea to all the participants here, so that the kids will learning how to speak up their mind, and then they will try to explain what they feel and what they learned so far. Ready? Now we're going to draw the hot air balloon. Ready? Right, all right, all right. This one first.
Welcome back.
Don't throw it. Keep this one first, and we're going to draw the hot air balloons. Right, like this. I'm going to give you examples. This is how hot air balloons. Wait.
Finish the dulu. The windows, please.
Okay. First of all, we can draw the.
This building doesn't have door. How come people?
Try to use something. Circle. To show that. Tape. I'm using my tape here to draw the perfect circle. Okay.
Should I use? I'm gonna use a glass.
I can use glass.
Gak usah selotip, cuman glass.
You can put anything circle in your around your area, around your computer, your room, and try to make a perfect circle on it. Like that. Or even using your own hand. Oh no, this one is too small. I don't really like it. And then try to draw the bucket.
Gantian ya.
At the bottom side. Draw the bucket at the bottom side.
Yeah, draw in the middle.
And then try to connect it.
Maximum S3 ya.
Yeah, can be 3, can be 4 if you want.
I only can have 2.
Yeah, 2 is better. It's okay. Draw circle first. Draw the bucket at the bottom side, and then you connect it with the line. And don't forget to put something on this part. This is how they put the fire. This is how they put the fire, that they fill the balloons with the gas. It's the.
Beda sama.
Then we can try to make it more
Beda
merah.
sama. Beda atau sama?
Boleh beda, boleh sama.
Just keep drawing. Ibu gonna open this for you.
Can be different, can be the same. You can use your own imagination. And try to make it more.
Enggak keluar dong. Nggak motong tuh ini.
Teralih to draw to.
Okay, I will repeat it again one more time how to draw the hot air balloons. Yeah, first of all, draw the circle. If you don't know how to draw the perfect circle, you can just find something circle around your room. Like
Anybody.
can be like that. Yay, good job, Adrian. That's really nice. Ya, betul seperti itu, Adrian. Benar. Apa namanya, Devangka juga bagus. Story, how is it?
Bikin besar.
Kalau mau gambar orang juga boleh di sini ya.
Oh.
Kan udah pernah belajar kan gambar orang? Tapi orang kecil.
Ayo ikutin.
Draw the person's work.
Tadi kertasnya. Kertas habis.
Yeah, I got the person there.
Bikin lingkaran dulu, bulat.
Yeah, the cute ones.
Kecil-kecil aja.
Yeah, yeah, nice, Bangka. How about you, Abia? Are you done?
Yes. I know.
Wow, nice, Adrian. Good job. Okay.
Lihat tuh.
I'm trying to make this one a bit nice.
Garis ke bawah. Set.
Cute kitten. Meow.
I'm drawing a cute red panda and bunny.
Yeah,
And
that's nice.
Batman.
And Batman? Yeah, Adrian, that's nice. Batman. Yeah, I like Batman also. I think I'm going to draw what? Yeah, this one. A mouse, maybe?
Mickey Mouse.
Like that? I don't know.
Nah, itu bisa. Terus lagi ikutin. Kasih ada orangnya di sini di dalam.
Right, I want you to color this one, okay? Color the hot air balloon. Yeah, 10 minutes to color it. I'm sorry for Ares and Theo. This one is not so easy for you. But the point or the goal for today is to draw something and to look like the drawing look like a 3D later on. That the drawing will have
Selotip, ternyata selotip. Bukan.
all right. So thank you for Albert Daddy.
And
what, Adrian?
we can color it, right?
Yes,
Color it, yeah.
yeah. Only for the hot air balloons. No need to color the background. This one no need.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to use my own crayons or marker. I want to color mine. So please wait, okay? I'm going to take my crayon first. Okay.
Hello? Hello? Bentar ya. Bukannya kamu meeting. Calendar. Sebentar.
Try not to close the mouth, ya.
Boom. Oh. Nih.
Turn on the light.
Okay, guys, 5 minutes to color it. And then I want you guys to present your work after this. One person will get 2 minutes to present their work. And presentation is good. It's not, yeah, it doesn't need to be so detailed. Just express your idea, express how you're feeling about it.
Mr. Spider-Man.
Wow, Adrian, cool. Now color it, please, Adrian. Adrian, I want you to color your drawing first, please.
Color.
Yes, color it, please.
Apa? Kita pakai pensilan dia. Tadi pakai pensilan tadi yang. Oke. Color blue. Oh, papa. Oke, kita masih bisa pakai spidol.
Yeah. Okay.
And red.
I don't have any crayon, that's why I'm using a marker. I don't have any crayon. Sorry for that. I'm using marker. Yeah,
I
next
use
week,
crayon.
yeah. Next week we are going to paint, yeah? We're going to try to paint using watercolor.
Can I show my drawing to you
Yeah, can of
of
course.
watercolor?
Yeah, yeah.
Wait a second.
And start to
Hey, keep coloring your balloon.
And color red.
yeah.
This is my big painting. They're out. This one.
Wow.
Wanna
Is that
try
yours, Glenn?
like this
Yeah,
one?
I draw it.
Can you
Make a
show it
stripe.
again? All right, guys, this one is made by Glenn. Goodness, that was so cool.
Oh, all
You get
right.
some help from somebody?
What?
You get some help from somebody?
Lagi.
No.
That's yours?
I do this.
You do it by yourself?
It's fine.
Very cool, man. My goodness. Thank you, Glenn, for showing the drawing.
Hey, keep doing it. Otherwise, you're gonna run out your time.
Yeah. Come on, keep on doing it. Don't stop. But by the way, next week we're going to get help from Albro's daddy.
They have
Albro's daddy will help us to
Color, Mickey.
what color? What do you want?
Mr. Al.
yeah.
And
Mr. Al. Can we draw flowers like this?
Oh yeah, but maybe next time, Glenn. Yeah. Yeah. Next time, Glenn.
Okay.
Right. I want you guys to
Mr.
go.
I'm
You're done?
done.
Can I see yours, please, Devanka? Right.
This one I don't color it because the bunny is white.
Okay. It's okay. I agree with you. Bunny is white. Yes. Now I want you to cut it, Devanka. I want you to cut it. All right, everyone, please cut your hot air balloon one more time. For mommy and daddy, I'm sorry that maybe the lesson will look so easy for them, but I'm trying to make the lesson more effective for us because we have a different level. Ares is grade 6 and Nico also what grade are you now, Nico?
Mau break nantinya. Makanya airnya jadi banyak.
Nico kelas berapa sekarang?
Airnya dikit aja. Udah.
Siapa?
Jangan banyak.
Nico?
Noble.
Kelas
3.
3. Tori kelas berapa, Tori?
Ini.
Tori kelas berapa? 4 ya?
now you can
Aku kelas 4 juga, naik kelas 4.
4. Ya, makanya mommy and daddy, I'm sorry that we have to make the lesson more easy and doable for the kids. And then trying to make it as simple as they can. If you guys want to make it more detailed and more complicated, you can just try yourself. Challenge yourself to draw something and then show it to me later on. Like Glenn already did something very good. He challenged himself to draw something like a painting or something like that, and then Glenn can show me and I can give my best suggestion or advice.
Sekarang yang ini yang
To
putih.
put it on.
I have 5 paintings that I did. I did 5 paintings. Not that much.
You did
That's fine.
5 paintings, Glenn?
Yeah.
Do you have any specialty?
Di tempat apa, Bu?
What?
Do you have any special teacher to help you?
look at this
No.
also.
My teacher just
How
told
you
me this and that, and then I did it by myself.
What? Good job then. I'm so proud with you, Glenn.
The cat was my first drawing. That was my second drawing. And I still have all face. Snow. I didn't actually do 5, but I did more than 5.
Okay.
And Batman.
Okay.
I
I think we have only 5 more minutes. After this, we're going to present our work. Yeah. Work faster.
I'm
please,
not
guys.
drawing. I'm not done for cutting.
Practice cutting.
Yeah. Don't forget. After you're done, please put some paper behind it. I don't want you to wasting paper. Just use the used paper this time. Okay, I have 2 tier paper on my hands. I'm going to fold
Paper.
one, fold it like this.
Mr. Art,
Yeah,
I'm already done.
you done? Can I see your drawing, Rachel? Wow, nice. Rachel, I want you to cut it. Cut it like this, Rachel.
Ada wifi nih. Iya, orang bola.
Cut it and stick this paper behind.
Batman blue.
Yeah, cut this. Cut the hot air balloon and get some. And we use the paper just now, the used paper that we already used, and then fold it like this, and then trying to put it at the back because we're going to make it looks like 3D, looks like flying. Okay. Yes, you're correct. Yeah, Ruth, that's correct, Ruth. That's so cute.
You don't waste paper, right?
Yeah.
You cannot waste paper.
Can you
No.
Right. I'm going to fold this paper behind the hot air balloons. This one, I put the glue already on this part, and then I'm going to stick it like this at the back of my hot air balloons. Cute kitten.
They are my hot air balloons. Hot air balloons.
Glenn, have you stick the paper behind it?
I'm doing it.
Okay.
What's the
Just use paper, yeah, the one that you already cut. Don't use new paper because paper is came from what?
Good safety.
Paper came from
Trees.
trees. We wasting paper, it means that we wasting
Sini.
Trees.
yes.
Yeah.
Just
And
not
if we don't have trees, we cannot live because we don't have any oxygen.
yeah, because if we are wasting a lot
We
of
don't have any oxygen and we can die.
yeah, that is like a domino effect, right?
We have to die.
After that, Niko udah dikasih kertas belakangnya.
Dah.
Ya, kalau udah dikasih lem lagi baru kita tempel ya. Ini akan ada efek flying. Wow.
Mister. Aku sudah saya sudah
Yay, Tepangka, great job. Good job. How about you, Nico? How about you, Elbrus?
Yeah, I already put glue here.
Ya, Nico keren banget. Nico boleh gambar lagi hot air balloons atau pesawat atau orang lagi terbang juga boleh. Tinggal belakangnya ditambahin kertas aja ditempel.
Mau gambar nggak?
So, we
harus tempel dulu di backgroundnya.
art.
Gitu.
Nama teknik ini adalah relief art, teman-teman. Relief art means that, yeah, wow, that's cool, Elbrus. Elbrus pakai cat ya. Okay, next week we're going to paint ya, guys. So please prepare your Giotto watercolor. We're going to.
Already.
You ready? Yeah.
Yeah.
I give you one. One to prepare your. So that next week we can
Gonna write
start to do it. Okay, I'm going to stick this one again. I'm going to fold this paper once again. Elbrus dipotong gambarnya pakai gunting. Minta bantu Bapak kalau nggak bisa ya. Hati-hati menggunakan. Apa itu?
dulu.
Habis itu Ruth, digunting belum? Sudah?
Manusia salju.
Wow, manusia salju.
Snowman.
Snowman. Wow, keren banget Ruth. Thank you. Now it's time for us to present ya. We're going to start from Devanka. Ready? 1, 2, go. 2 minutes, Devanka. Go.
One going to be sent.
Down.
Okay, who's done? Abia.
Wait for a minute.
Okay, Abia.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, Devanka first. Ready? 1, 2, go.
Hi, this is my drawing.
Okay.
First, I draw an
Mana yang cara yang mau digunting? Ini mau digunting, tak?
Iya, itu digunting.
Taruh di mana?
Digunting, ikutin itunya.
Then I draw one in here, and I draw the door and the windows, and I copy it to others on the background.
Okay, good job. Is it
Then
possible?
Not yet done.
Okay, go.
Then to some of the buildings, I draw like a line in here, and I write some words, and then I draw a hot air balloons, and I stick it here.
All right. Good job, Devanka. Thank you so much. I appreciate your work. I give you 2 thumbs up and 5 stars and 10 stars. Thank you. And next, Abia, come on, go. Ready? 1, 2, go.
Gak apa-apa bahasa Indonesia kan? Gak apa-apa kan?
Okay, bahasa Indonesia is okay.
Gak apa-apa bahasa.
Ready? 1, 2, go.
Halo, ini
Hai, namaku Abia.
ini
Mhm.
lebih gede. Kita pakai gambar jendela. Habis itu gambar balon udara. Nah, habis itu
Ditempelin. Wow, keren banget Abia. Abia dapat 2 jempol dari Mr. A dan 10 star. Thank you Abia. Next will be buat Niko sama kakak Ares dan Vio. Sabar ya, yang paling besar belakangan. Kasih kesempatan buat yang kecil dulu. Siapa yang sudah siap sekarang? Rachel, are you ready? Rachel or Tori? Glenn sabar ya, Glenn bagus nanti belakangan. Nanti ya?
Bilang dong, I'm not done. I'm not done.
Okay, I'm not done. It's okay. Next will be Ruth. Ruth, are you ready? All right, give round of applause for Ruth. Ruth, please unmute first your video.
Ya, sudah.
Yay. 1, 2, go.
I draw a bus. I draw a car with balloons, and I draw a few things. I draw a hot air balloon. I draw the windows, the door, and I draw the balloon, and I also draw my name.
Yay. Thank you, Ruth. Thank you so much. You can draw the hot air balloons again. I give you 2 thumbs up. Great job. Well done. And then 10 stars. Thank you, Ruth. Thank you so much. Next will be siapa lagi ya?
Come back to here.
Who's done? Adrian, are you ready?
Ini ceritanya lagi itu,
Apa?
lagi percobaan terbang pakai.
Okay, next will be Glenn. Ready, Glenn? 1, 2, go.
This is my drawing of hot air balloons. So first I draw the background of the city. And after that, I take another paper so I can draw the hot balloons. I draw the bunny, the people, and another zigzag pattern. I draw one person on the bunny, and then I cut them out, and then I cut some more paper and make them like a square, and then stick them to the back of the hot air balloons. Then I stick them to the background, and
Yay!
it's done.
Yay! Thank you, Glenn. I like your drawing, especially when you draw the city's theme at the back side of your hot air balloons. That's cool, Glenn. Well done. I give you 2 and 5 or 10 fingers and 10 stars for you, Glenn. Well done. Great job. Thank you and keep on drawing. Thank you so much, Glenn.
2, 5.
Next, siapa yang sudah siap? Elbrus mau siap?
17.
Ready, Elbrus?
2, 5.
1, 2, go. Elbrus, please unmute your. Ya. Ayo. Elbrus, gambar apa itu? Balon udara. Elbrus, warnainya pakai apa?
Itu apa itu?
Pakai cat air. Susah nggak gambarnya? Enggak ya. Oke. Dibantuin ya? Apa Elbrus sendiri yang gambar? Sendirian. Wah, keren banget Elbrus. Masih kecil loh teman-teman. Dia ini masih 3 tahun ya kalau nggak salah ya.
Ya, 3 tahun 10 bulan.
Iya, udah mau masuk K1 dia kayaknya 4 tahun K1, 5 tahun. Nanti grade 1 kelas 6. Kan 6 tahun. Oke, thank you Elbrus. Good job. Elbrus dapat 2 jempol soal dan 10 stars. Thank you Elbrus. Thank you so much. Now, next turns will be siapa ya? Who's next? Rachel, udah belum? Rachel?
Ya.
Okay, Rachel, you ready? 1, 2, go. Mana dia?
Hello? Hello?
Ya. Come on, Rachel. We are waiting.
Tori and Rachel.
Yeah.
It's not done.
Not done? Okay, next will be Nico. Nico, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, use English. Okay, Nico. Ready? 1, 2, go.
Hello, this is my drawing. First, I draw an arrow to it and draw an arrow, and I draw another arrow, and I draw a window,
Yeah. Then you draw the windows.
and I draw another paper. I draw an air balloon, mouse, and the cat, and I draw a human,
Okay.
and colored
You color it. And then,
with the crayon,
okay. Good job.
and I cut,
You cut it.
and
You stick it on your paper.
I stick on my
Paper.
paper
And then,
and my paper.
done. Susah nggak, Nico, gambar seperti itu?
Lumayan.
Lumayan ya. Nico terus berlatih, bagus banget gambar hotelnya sama hot air balloons-nya. Mr. A kasih, I give you 2 thumbs up, well done, and then 10 stars for you, Nico. Thank you so much, Nico. Keep on drawing, okay? Nico terusin gambarnya, bagus banget ya, jangan berhenti. Terus belajar gambar lagi. Next will be, siapa lagi ya? Ares, Vio, udah siap belum? Kasih nanti Glenn boleh ngomong lagi ya. Glenn boleh cerita lagi tapi setelah ini. Ares dulu deh, Vio dulu deh. Ready? Ayo. Supaya yang lain terinspirasi sama Vio. Ready? 1, 2, go. Ini di mute deh. Ares di unmute dulu ya. Ares, please unmute dulu videonya Ares. Laptopnya di unmute.
Oke, dan
Oke, go.
pertama saya gambar gedung. Kedua aku gambar jendela. Setelah itu saya menggambar air balloons. Habis itu saya menggambar hiasan-hiasan di sini. Dan saya menggambar sedikit orang-orang di sini. Dan satu air balloons tidak ada pengendara karena hilang.
Keren banget, Vio. Gambarnya bagus banget bagian belakangnya. Namanya.
Bagus.
Terus Vio juga apply gradasi ya, teknik gradasi. Bagus banget. Coba tunjukin lagi dong.
Bagus.
Vio,
Takos.
Vio tunjukin lagi dong gambarnya. Sebentar. Tuh lihat teman-teman, dia pakai teknik gradasi di hot air balloons-nya.
Bagus banget yang hijau kuning itu bagus banget.
Keren banget. Oke, next will be Kakak Ares. Silakan Kakak Ares. Oke, this is the master of drawing.
Master of drawing. Master.
Ah.
I know the master.
Wow. See that?
Wow.
Wow. Explain it to us, please.
Okay, this is my drawing. Yes. In this town, I draw. There is a balloon event. So there's two the biggest balloons in the world.
Wow.
And this is a sunny day. So
Sunny day.
balloon can fly.
Sunny day. A sunny day.
And then there is some people in down here, but I love drawing. And there's a bunny in here, and this is a granite. I draw a granite balloon.
Granite balloon? Why does it have spikes? Why does it have spikes?
Yeah, I think we should appreciate what Ares did just now. Okay, thank you, Ares. I give you 2 thumbs up for the master of drawing. Ares, Theo, Glenn, and Nico, and then Tori. Okay, now Tori, are you ready? Adrian udah siap belum?
Tori.
Oke, Tori dulu. Habis Tori, Adrian ya. Siap ya, Adrian ya. Ready, 1, 2, go.
This is my draw. First, I draw the building, all the building, and then I draw the hot air balloon, and then I color it, and then I cut it, and then I stick it in the building. And then this is a cat, this is a mouse. And then.
Oke, thank you Tori. I give you 2 thumbs up. Keren banget gambarnya. Ada awan, ada hot air balloons-nya, and then everything will look so very beautiful. So how about Rachel? Rachel, where are you?
Rachel.
Come on, Rachel, don't be shy. Come on, we don't have much time. For you, please. 2 minutes. Ready? 1, 2, go.
First, I draw
The city,
thing.
a building.
And I cut I draw the hot balloon, and then I cut it. I stick it with a tape. Dan.
Yeay, itu hot air balloons-nya panjang banget. Thank you so much, Rachel. Thank you, Rachel. I give you 2 thumbs up and 10 stars. Next will be the last but not the least. This one, Adrian. Come on, Adrian, speak up. Adrian, di unmute dulu. videonya. Unmute, please.
Unmute.
Unmute, please. Your video is mute now. Please. Okay. Now you can start to talk. Ready? 1, 2, go.
Balon udara sama ini gedung, ini stasiun kereta bawah tanah,
Wow.
ini rumah, sama ini buat nungguin helikopter.
Helicopter. Okay. You also draw the itu ya, the snowman ya.
Yeah.
Alright, good.
The snowman like this.
Yeah, can you hold it first, please, guys? Adrian, please hold it like this. Hold your paper like this first, please, Adrian. Adrian pegang gambarnya seperti ini. Can you show me your drawing, please, Adrian? One more time. See, guys, Adrian now drawing the even there is a snowman and some of the Batman.
Helicopter. Plane.
Wow, so cute and so cool, Adrian. Thank you so much. How about your brothers? Your brother want to present his work or not?
No, maybe yes.
All right,
No,
then.
yes.
All right. Thank you, Adrian. And this is it, everyone. We are now at the end of our session. Glenn, you want to say something?
Say what?
I don't know. You want to show your drawing again? I mean, your painting again?
Okay. Fine.
Right. This is the last. The magnificent Glenn. Glenn, guys, if you draw something, you want to show it to me, it's okay. You can show it to me. Ruth, do you have any drawing that you want to show it to us?
I can show you my another drawing, Mr. Al.
Wait. Okay, ready? We're going to watch Glenn first. Wow, Glenn. Is that your painting?
Yeah, it's my painting.
Why did everything look so perfect, Glenn?
I don't know.
You did it
Just
for
my
yourself?
Yeah. No. But Mr. Al told me this, and then my teacher helped me do this, and then I did it by myself. Another color, my teacher.
Jangan di ano nanti itu.
Color.
Okay. All right, thank you, Glenn. Thank you for showing. Yeah, so cool, right? The astronaut costume with the reflection on the glass, and it looks so perfect.
Me too. I want to be an astronaut.
Yeah, come on, Devanka, you want to show
I like
something?
it.
You have to learn if you want to be an
Oh, you
astronaut.
know what is that, Devanka?
It's like a person riding hot air balloon with like this is water machine, so she can drink with this water machine. This is
Yeah.
for drinking.
Yeah, that
My
sounds.
imagination.
Yeah, that sounds possible, Devanka. Don't stop dreaming. Your idea was very cool. I appreciate your idea. Now, next will be Ruth. Ruth, you want to present your drawing? I saw that you're holding your drawing. It's about Sonic using the hedgehog.
It is from myself from the video that I practiced, and here it is.
Wow, look at this one, guys. The Sonic drawing, and the backside is the building.
This is not Sonic.
What is that?
Shadow.
Okay. All right.
His name is Sonic Shadow.
And sometimes he gets angry, and that's Sonic's friend.
Yeah.
Angry friend, like Angry Bird.
Yeah, thank you, Ruth. Thank you for showing us your beautiful drawing. Sonic.
There's something at the back. Look.
Wow, you also have it at the back. A very nice, cute face with the red. What? That one. Yeah, thank you so much, Ruth. Thank you so much. I appreciate your effort on showing your drawing. Thank you. And Abia, you want to show something?